The difference between me and you is
Drop the rhythm, dummy.
I say what I gotta say when I need to say it. To see who need to play these little games, you know. I don't do riddles, you know, boy. At the same time, I wanna play. Yeah. Hey, I wanna play. So show me where the pieces at, yo. I'm tryna get involved, tryna leak the mode. I'm tryna hide myself, but my shadow show more. I wanna see why you looking over there for. See, I've been calling for a long time. I've been helping out for a long time. I've been building, yeah, a long time. I've been praying for you for a long time. And I just trying to figure out why now. Why now everything gotta switch, why